Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up, boom, some black-eyed peas because it's the new year. Him and girl make sure we always eat them on New Year's Day. It's supposed to bring good luck. We're going to get our bacon going, and you can use as much bacon as you like. You know, I'm going to throw 3 slices on here because we want a lot of bacon flavor. But you can use more or less. You know, I got my skillet like on medium heat, and we're going to keep it that way for a while. And while our bacon is frying up, I'm going to go ahead and chop up some jalapenos over here. And you can use fresh jalapeno if you like. I'm going to use some pickled jalapenos because it's easier. You know, we actually like jalapenos, so we're going to use this much, which is quite a little bit for 1 can of beans. I'm just giving them a rough chop. Alrighty, our bacon is starting to look pretty good. I like to crisp it up a little bit, you know, before I add any other ingredients. If you wanted to, you could chop it up before you ever even put it in the skillet. But I'm going to go ahead and do it like this today because it's a little easier, I think, to handle. Jalapenos and bacon. That's a winning combination. So we're going to throw it all back into the skillet there. Gonna let this sizzle away for another minute there. Alrighty, there's not a lot of grease in this bacon here. You know, this is a pretty lean cut of bacon, you know, because I got the fancy pants bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw me in a little bit of butter. Boom, butter and bacon. That's a winning combination, my heart says. Alrighty. Get us a little bit of fat in there. And now I'm gonna throw in just like a little spoonful of flour. You can use whatever kind of flour you like. I'm using a little bit of chickpea flour, but use regular old flour if you like. Alright, I'm going to stir this in here for a moment. What I got here, boom, is just 1 can of black-eyed peas. See, boom, right there. That's what's in here, but I've already rinsed, you know, drained it and rinsed it. Just going to throw it in, wow. Stir that around, get that all mixed up. I'm going to let it sit there and sizzle away for a moment. So we've had this sizzling here for about a minute. I'm going to stir it around. I'm going to go ahead and add me a little bit of water. Not a whole lot. We'll stir it around and let that all heat up here. And you don't have to use water if you want. If you have a little bit of chicken broth or any kind of broth, you can go ahead and use that. But we're going to bring this up to a bubble. It's going to come up to a simmer pretty quick. Now we'll go ahead and let this cook away for a few minutes all on its lonesome. Alrighty, so there you have it. You know, we've let that liquid cook down. You know, it's gotten kind of creamy. You know, that's that little bit of flour, you know, that's turning it into almost like a gravy. Well, there you have it, man. That's all there is to this dish. You know, it's super duper simple. We're going to go ahead and serve it with a little bit of curry coleslaw and fish. You know, I usually like to make this particular dish, you know, with liver and onions. But it's a great side dish for a lot of different things. Go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. Bon appetit and Happy New Year.